8th Standard Biology Chapter 8 Cell Structure and Function. Students, I hope all are read the page number 92, 93. In the previous class we study about the cell. The cells are the building blocks of all living organism. Therefore, a cell is the smallest basic structural unit of life. The shape and the size of a cell depended on its functions. The cell measured in micrometer or microns. Okay. The size of the cell is not related to the size of the organism. For example, the elephant cell and egg. Okay, organism made up of only one cell are called unicellular organism. For example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, bacteria. Okay, organism made up of more than one cell are called multicellular organism. For example, human beings. Okay, so a typical cell consists of three parts. Today we study about cell structure and also functions. Cell structure and also functions. In multicellular organism, each organ system is made up of several organs. Organs are further made up of tissues. Tissues are group of similar cells performing a specific functions. Okay. So, number of cells organism made up of only a single cell called unicellular. Single cell in unicellular organism perform all basic function. For example, reproduction, digestion, digestion, etc. Okay. Then types of cells. Types of cells means two types of cells. One is prokaryotic cell, then another one is eukaryotic cells. The types of cells, one is prokaryotic, then another one is eukaryotic cells. Cells, first one prokaryotic. Cells which do not have a well-defined nuclear membrane and a nuclear material lies freely in the cytoplasm of the cell. For example, bacteria, blue-green algae. Eukaryotic cells. Cells having nucleus with a well-defined nuclear membrane. For example, plant and animal cells. You see the pictures. Okay. Next we goes to the component of the cell. Next we goes to the study about the component of the cell. First one, cell membrane. The first one is cell membrane. Okay. We start with the cell. The component of the cell, parts of the cell. First one, cell membrane. The basic component of the cell or cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The cytoplasm and the nucleus are enclosed within the cell membrane, also called plasma membrane. The membrane separates cell from one another and also cell from the surrounding mediums. It protected the cell also. Okay. It is the protective layer that surround the cell. Cell membrane selectively allows the entire of only some substance and prevents the movement of other materials. Hence, it check the transport of a substance in and out of the cell. Okay. A small activity. It observe the basic component of the plant cell. First, you peel off a dry pink covering of the onion pulp using forceps or your hand. Separate the thin layer of onion peels from inside the onion pulp using forceps. Next, cut the separated onion peels into smaller pieces with the help of forceps, put a drop of water on the glass slide and place on the onion peels. Next, we put a drop of methylene blue solution on the onion peels and cover with a cover slip. Place the slide under the microscope. What you seen? You seen several cells can be seen lying side by side bound by the cell membrane, and an additional layer is called cell wall. A spherical shape nucleus is present in the center of each cell. So, the basic component of the plant cell are cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. The basic component of the plant cell. Component means inside the cell. First one, cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell wall is an additional layer present only in plant cell. Okay, cell wall is an additional layer separate present in only plant cell. Okay. Next, study about cell wall. In plant cell, an extra protective covering, a polysaccharide cellulose is present. It is called cell wall that protect plant cell from environmental variation. It protect plant cell from environmental variations. Okay. Next we study about a small another one activity, page number 94, activity 8.4. In this activity we study about the animal cell. First, break a tip of a clean toothpick or matchstick and use it to scratch the inside of your cheek gently. Put a drop of water on the glass slide and place the scraping on it. Add a drop of iodine or a few drops of methyl blue solution to it. Place the slide under the microscope and observe it. What do you observe? The cells do not have any definite shape and are enclosed within thin layer. Enclosed within thin cell membrane. Cell wall is not around the cell. Cell wall is not around the cell. Okay. You see the picture. In this activity, the basic component of an animal are cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell wall is not present in the animal cell. Cell wall is not present in the animal cells. Okay. Next we goes to cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present between cell membrane and nucleus. It is a jelly-like substance present between cell membrane and nucleus. It contains various cell organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi bodies, lysosome, vacuoles, etc. Okay. First you study about nucleus. It is a dense spherical body located at the center of the cell. It is an important part. It is a dense spherical body located at the center of the cell. It is surrounded by porous nuclear membrane. It contains spherical body called nucleolus. It is an important part in nucleus. At the center, a spherical shaped body is called nucleolus. It also contains thread-like structures called chromosomes. It is spherical-like structure also called chromosomes. Next we study about chromosome. There are the structure that carry genes and play an important role in inheritance. Genes are the structural and functional unit of inheritance. The entire living substance in a cell is known as protoplast. Okay. Next, vacuoles. Vacuoles are fluid-filled membrane-bound structures in the cell. In a plant cell, a single large vacuole is present. You see the picture, plant vacuoles with animal vacuoles. The two are present, plant and also animal. In animal cell, numerous small vacuoles are present. Numerous small vacuoles are present. The membrane of the vacuole is called tonoplast. The membrane encloses a fluid called cell sap. Okay. Next organelles, plastids. They are present only in plant cell. Plastid, they are present only in plant cell. Plastids that contain green color pigment called chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. Plastid that contain many varieties of plastid. First one, chloroplast. Plastids that contain green color pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplast. It is the chlorophyll that given green color to the leaves. Chloroplast trap solar energy and utilize this energy to manufacture food for the plant. The process name is photosynthesis. You already studied. Okay. Plastids are two types. Plastids are two types. The one is leucoplast, then another one is chromoplast. First, leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless and are used to store food. The leucoplasts are colorless and used to store food, while chromoplasts are plastid containing pigment. Chloroplasts are a type of chromoplast. Listen, chloroplasts are a type of chromoplast. Chloroplast consists of two regions, grana. Chloroplasts are consist two region, grana. Okay. Bound structure that contain pigment chlorophyll. Stroma. First part is grana. Second one is grana. Second one is grana. Okay. Next we study about then another one, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulums. Rough, it is two varieties. The first one is rough endoplasmic reticulum or ER. It is important for the synthesis and packaging of proteins. Next one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. It acts as a storage organelle. It also helps in lipid synthesis, lipid or fat synthesis. Okay. Next we study about another one organelle, cell organelles, Golgi apparatus. It also called Golgi bodies. It is made up of parallel arranged membrane bound vesicles called cisternae. You see the picture. Okay. It helps in storage, modification and packaging of product in vesicles. It helps in formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Okay. Next we study about lysosome. It is a membrane bound structure that holds variety of enzyme rich in all types of hydrolytic enzyme which are active and acidic pH level. It is involved in the digestion of carbohydrate, protein, lipid and nucleic acid. Next we study about mitochondria. These are cell organelles. Okay. It is a double membrane bound structure. The inner membrane of a mitochondria deeply folded to form cister. Cister increase the surface area in the organelles. They have their own circular DNA. They divide by fusion. Okay. It is the site of cellular respiration and hence known as powerhouse of cell. Another one name is powerhouse of cell. Okay. So, we all are study about the cell organelles, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, plastid, etc. Okay. Next, difference between plant and animals. Next, difference between plants and animals. You study about, in this lesson, we study about plant cell and animal cells, the different cell organelles. Next, we study about difference between plant and animal cell. In a plant cell, cell wall is present. In an animal cell, the cell wall is absent. Okay. The plant cell, the nucleus is located in the periphery of the cell. In animal cell, nucleus is located in the center of the cell. In a plant cell, plastids are present. In animal cell, plastids are absent. In a plant cell, a large single vacuole is present. You see the picture. Present in the center of the cytoplasm. In a plant cell, a large single vacuole is present in the center of the cytoplasm. In animal cell, numerous small vacuoles are present in the cytoplasm. Numerous small vacuoles are present in the cytoplasm. These are the difference between plant cell and animal cells. These are a difference between plant cell and animal cells. Okay. You see the picture, page number, you take a page number 96, table 8.1. I already given the answer. So, you fill the page number 96, table 8.1. Okay. So, in this lesson, we study about what is cell, who discovered a cell, Robert Hooke, 1665. Then cell organelles, plastid, mitochondria, vacuoles, chloroplast, etc., plasma membrane, nucleus, etc. Okay. So, students, you read the page number 92, 96 and do the table 8.1. Okay. Thank you.